Good morning. Today 7th August 2026 and right now time is 11:47 a.m. Presently I am in Radhacharan Nagar BC and he is my beneficiary Sushil Deborma, but his residence is in West Rajnagar BC under Tulasi Collective Subdivision. So this is upland paddy. You cannot say this is Zoom because just after this lower part we can see some paddy plot, and this also under MICMP program. So this plot belongs to Sushil Deborma of Pochim Rajnagar, but this plot is in Radhacharan Nagar BC. So here he is my beneficiary Sushil Deborma. So let me know that what variety of this Zoom paddy has been planted here or sown here. So let me know from him. Kaita Sushil ning o jaga je mai kaimani tam mai o jaga
beti bai kotok chara beti bai kotok chara
thokma khai bo bisi thokla
thokma kotok na bisi thok
bo maso kaiman mo
ko bushang maso
mane April o kaiman ta nino jaga ko bade mai dui rokom bade te tam mani khai
ei ko moso plati ta thunrupoi thaismo bantarok
abter jotun to na
khaklorok
kai ninmo mai to tini bai sakai prai 3 mas laikha motamoti tak to puktong nong ta te koi din nang na ma puktong nani
badra mas ka marata
badra mas marao kai ninmo ja gong ma dekhi singjak abo kai tamni bagai khai
tok pera tok sawoi ringna bangai dekhi sing to nei
kai do kaisa jekono tami phunukla sound de phai oh te ayang roko khai u mor u sekang nya bro oh ayat kai pungbai tana oh moka nina ja tok de ta khayam ne
tok khayo
tam bisi tok ko chala
tok pera tok o tok siun chikon
choroi himani ja chang
tok siun chikon
kai te mukhra ro de phai
mukra kale pas phai asit
kai acha kai te tok no khai main problem na
tok main problem
ngai nang ko jaga protek din de muti khai duty ri ma tong
duty tong
koi gonta rak tongla mo
tong sabung tong ta
ngai mai chi rok tu pheo jana
mai chu khai no thang chai phai
acha
phai ta taisa
ngani mo busuk jaga ba mo
aro derkani suk ngata
derkani pono dui kani kasa kasi tor bole kusu kai dakan hamba yang note sengana. So he is my circle in charge Sanjay Rupini of this BC Ramchandra Nagar. So tell that what technology he is using for this one, Sanjay.
First of all, I thank you, the Tulasikor Superintendent sir, for coming over this plot of Mr. Sushil, the progressive farmer of RC Nagar. And since his house is residence is originally in Pachim Rajnagar, but he's shifted from there and he settled here in the RC Nagar area. So since it falls under my area, sir has been privileged to come and see this land as well as the upland, how he is cultivating the newly technological indigenous method of chasing the wild birds and monkeys from the attacks. As you can see, this plastic roof was tied with a piece of tin hang upon a bamboo. When he sees that there is an attack, he will just pull it in a little bit hard way and release it. Then it will sound in a loud voice, and by that sound, all the birds will be fly away.
Okay.
So he control in one place every surrounding area. He have tied up with a tin sheet with a roof, plastic roof, and likewise monkeys are also now scared of coming here. Monkeys, for chasing the monkeys, he have made the symbol of like a scarecrow, where the monkeys will fear.
Okay.
That the monkeys will fear that there will be presence of somebody. So monkey will be went away. Monkey will not come. So in that way, this is very good method of practicing how we can chase out the wild monkeys and birds from our crops. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Sanjay. So let me explain in our own language. Mokai ojaga cheng hugo mai khaimani ojaga bo duita variety mai khayo kaisa kai beti te kaisa kai
kotok sara.
kotok cara ini mokai kotok cara beti kai kisa engko kefer mai uyang side ni kai beti engkai mo ojaga je bo dukhiro khamani mokai ojaga je tabuk khai tongmani gobangma engko tok phai ojaga mai chanan bagai especially tok engkai sing je chora himani choroi tam hin kokrok bai apno tisa choroi no na spero hino kai ojaga tabuk mo dukhiro no soton khai
Hapli.
iko ekdom phankai soton khai mo pungu mo dukhi iko morok mo dukhi soton khai mo dukhi pungo jaga iko sound kaisa phaima khana ga jaga joto choturdike mo kabangma dukhi singjak jaga o dukhi no soton khai o sound bai choroi rok je maisai tongmani jotono kharthango kai bino jaga jeng nukha je bilati moso jeta jeng hukni moso hino ba bardai chili hino kai thaisumu tongo bino jaga te ko banta tongo te khundrupui tongo ati hai kongma dal bidal mani tongo jaga iko jaga jemon kaisa moso bufang tongo mokai chini bardai chili ba jeng jeta ko moso bilati hinmani hukni moso kai ati hai kabangma dal bidal mani kaija o chini takhuk social development ploto kai mo really kaisa indigenous technique emne to mo jeng direct huk hinmaya mo kisa tila jaga no kai o jaga tolao kai kheto mai botongo mo jaga koekta line swing mo nukha songo jaga mo khai Ramchandra Nagar BC kintu bini agi para tomo khai Pochim Rajnagoro chini takhuk Sushil Deborma khai ang jotona hambai janago je mo kaisa indigenous technique phana mo khub kaham o jaga jeng mukhra rokno budi khai control khaiman aboni bagai o jaga boro rokni genji haikai chumjak ro botongo jaga mono nukhai borok kiri jago gai afro tin rokni sound tam rikhai borok a sound baino khari mathango ngai mono chini takhuk da Sushil nang sajing khak tomata mabo thaismude o
Hartlang hartnar.
he ang naigana buti motom nong kana
Eno ngodo
acha angkai nang to chini office ni benefit to manna taklai bosong kono ekta demo phanori nai mono engkai demo phanori nai mung de sijak ni already kaisa ngoja demonstration phanori nai karon mo indigenous method chini bagai khub ekta jara huk khainai borong ni bagai kaham ekta idea mo jaja kabangma dekhi singjak tongo a dekhina soton khaina ekta sound phayo a jaga tin khajak tin ni blap engkai sound baino o jaga je choroi tongmarok borok jotono mane khari thango mo kaisa khub kaisa technology kaham engkai ang habajar gochini takhuk Sushil Deborma no jaimoti hai technique takbu use khai tongo bagai teha sound khairila iko mosing ko sound khana o mo kaisa soton khaino sound khana ngai chini logi tini phainai chini holong mutaini circle in charge Samir Deborma bo chini logi tongo engkai ang hambai jana go chini takhuk Sanjay Rupini no bini parakai actually Brigo Das ebong bo English onko graduate khaijak habon pore phano bo 2024 JRBT o manei tabuk chini sub division kam khai tongo hongkai bono bang hambai jana go jetini kaisa moti hukni mai khaima plot tuman bagai hongkai asuna kok kebo jodi kono sungna musung khai if you want any this technology from this video you may ask that how we can make such type of technique for controlling the wild sparrow who attacks the plot frequently during this means you can say this panicle initiation is almost there. It's going to be mature by next 15-20 days te 15-20 din bising mai rai manan bole na karon mo ekta this stage is very critical this time actually the wild sparrow and other birds they attacked this crop. That's why he stay in this small, you can see in my video, small shed is made with the help of little bit tin, and he keep one chair also, and his the controlling authority is in the hand of Mr. Sushil. So thank you everyone for watching this video. Jotono na hambai.